Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to add 200 days moving average in TradingView. So to add it, you can simple open your chart. Then after you can simple go to the indicators. And now here you can simple type EMA. Once you tap here, you can simple select your moving average. Okay. Or here you can type moving average. Okay. So then once you add here the EMA, the moving average, you can simple click on the setting icon. Once you hover on it, it will expand, and here you can set the length to 200. It will default set to 9. You can simple edit it and click 200, and then once you click on OK, you will find my moving average will be set to 200 days. Here you will find. Okay, I hope you will see here. So here is how you can easily do it. Now you will clearly find. Goodbye.